Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do a burlap bow, and these are the supplies I'm using. You need a rather large zip tie, a pipe cleaner, also known as a chenille stem, some scissors, and some burlap. I got this from Walmart and it was on clearance for $3.47. Okay friends, first thing we're going to do is cut off this string. Get this tag off. All I'm going to do is make loops. There's my first loop. And it's about 7 inches. I'm going to twist it in the back. Do another loop. I'm going to pinch it down in the back. That's about 7 inches. Let's make one more. It'll be a 4-loop burlap bow. So I'm just gathering it in the back, giving it a twist. You actually don't even need to do a twist. There's no good side and bad side. Okay, so I have it all gathered in my hand. I'm going to trim this off. Get my zip tie. A burlap bow is one of the easiest bows you can make. Very forgiving. Pull it to the back. I'm going to add a pipe cleaner. This way I have a way of attaching it to anything I want to attach it to. Crank the zip tie all the way down. Cut off the zip tie. Play with your loops. The pipe cleaner in the back. Now, what I'm going to do for the middle here is I'm going to cut some burlap off. I'm going to fold it in. And fold it in. Take it right down the middle. I'm just going to tie it off. Kind of trim that up. You can even twist the pipe cleaner around it for extra security. I don't like that way that's fraying. I'm just going to tuck it in. So there's your bow. It's a big old floppy bow. You can put that on chairs at a wedding or aisles in the church. Okay friends, so what I did was I just added it to a plain grapevine wreath. So this is my big old burlap bow. I want to thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.